Hi, mathematicians. Today we're going to work a little bit on practicing a strategy that we have done before at school a little bit, but it's called using quick tens and ones. So doing a quick 10 drawing or showing tens and ones on top of each other so that we can represent the numbers in an equation. So what we've done at school a lot of is that we had pieces that looked like this. Ours at school were blue, and we a lot of times use them to show numbers. So if I was going to show this first number 29, what we would be doing is we would take two of these tens and we would take out 9 of these ones and we'd put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if I tried to draw that with all those little lines in the middle, that would take a really long time to do a drawing that looked just like that. So we're going to practice doing something different, that is drawing it as quick tens and quick ones. So a really quick way to draw that number 29 is like this, a line for each 10. So 10, 20, and then a little mini circle or dot for each one. So on the top we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Once we get to 5, we start a new row because that is the easiest way to just see the 5 and then count on and know that we would, if we had one more, it would be 10. It makes it easier for your eyes to see it when we stop at rows of 5. So I'm going to show you how I did that on here again. So here it had 29 plus 42. So here's my 29, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. In this equation, it's asking me to add 42. So I'm putting them on top of each other. Here's my 29, and here I did a quick draw of 42. So I had 29 on top, and then I'm putting 42 under it. So I have to think about 42 in my 40. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So every time I draw a line, I'm counting by tens. Every time I draw a dot, I'm counting by ones. Sometimes we like to call this French fries and tater tots. The French fries, the straight lines, are 10, and the tater tots are the ones. So now when I add them all together, this is going to be the interesting part. I know that I have 10. I can count how many tens I have like this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But can I make another 10 out of what I have here? Let's count them by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I would be able to make another 10 because I have 11 dots here. So this is the part that you're going to do today. You are going to loop around a 10, and then a loop is also going to count as one of your 10s. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I loop these 9, I'm going to be careful just to put one more of these in my loop. So that means now that the French fries are 10s, but a loop counts as another 10. So now I'm going to count again and see how many 10s and how many ones. So this does not count as ones anymore. It counts as a 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s. Pick up my marker. So that means if I count it by tens, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And now I have that little guy left over, 71. So I just solved and proved that 29 plus 42 is 71. So looking at the next one, see, matches up right with what it says there. The next one, 39 plus 54. It looked like this. 39 plus 54. And first I represented my 39 on top. And then underneath it, I put my 54. And we're going to see if we're able to loop to make another 10 or not. So let's just make sure I did this accurately. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I have 39. And then right underneath it, I should have 54. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I make a loop? I certainly can because I know I have 9 here. So I'm going to need to loop another one of those. So I am going to loop a 10 again. Okay, so we are looping a 10. So now, how many 10s do we have all together when we put all of this together, the 39 and the 54? We have, let's count how many 10s, and then we'll count it by 10s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10s. I'm going to count it by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then how many ones do I have left after I made that loop? 1, 2, 3. 93. And I'm just going to double check that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. Let's look at the next one. 41 plus 38. So here I have that represented. And here's 41, which I made a model of at the top. I did a quick draw. And then here I should have 38. So we'll double check with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Yep, got that. And down at the bottom, I should have 38. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now, I want you to think, am I going to be able to loop a 10? What do you think? Can I loop a 10, yes or no? I want you to actually say out loud, yes or no. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can only loop it if I have 10 to put in a loop. So this time we can't loop it. So they're going to stay out as ones. So now we can only count 10s with these because I wasn't able to make another 10. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 10s. And I'm going to start at the bigger number, 8, and one more is 9. I'm going to double check that and count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Yep, it matched up. This is the last one. I'm going to do one more together with you, and then I'm going to have you do the last 2 problems, E and F, on your own. I will put the answers on a sheet that looks like this, but I don't want you to look until you have done it on your own. And I'm only going to put the answer there. I'm not able to draw the quick 10s and ones on that one. This is the last one we're going to do together. 58 plus 24. Now, before I show it to you, I want you to think, do you think we're going to be able to loop a 10 or not? Looking at the number of ones in each of those numbers, I want you to make a prediction. Will we be able to loop another 10 or not be able to loop another 10? So we have 58 plus 24. Let me find it there. There it is. Okay, 58 plus 24. First, I'm going to do my 58. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So I did my 58 at the top. Now I'm going to do my 24. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, friends, think about the prediction you made. Are we able to do the first job of looping another 10? Well, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. Okay, so here we go. We can do it because I have 8 there. And if I grab 2 from that part, I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I was able to make another 10. Okay, so let's see how many 10s we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s. We did turn that loop into an 8. And 1, 2 1s. Okay, let's skip count by 10s while we look at the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. All right, so we got it. We were able to loop a 10 on there. So for you, after you've watched this video and done them along with it, you are going to see if you can do it on your own. You're going to draw quick 10s and 1s for 47 plus 46. So on the top, you have to draw your 47. On the bottom, you'll draw your 46. Then you'll see if you can loop a 10, and you'll count up all the 10s all together. Same for here. First, you'll represent 48 with your quick 10s and 1s. Under that, you will represent your 29 with your quick 10s and 1s, and you will see if you are able to loop another 10. After you've done those, you can check the answers to see if you got it correct. If you did not, then I would suggest drawing the picture again and being very, very precise and slow and careful about it to see if you were actually able to loop a 10, and make sure you counted it in when you counted up all of your 10s. Okay.